silithemba lakhe lokugqibela. Silithemba lakhe lokugqibela. Silithemba lakhe lokugqibela, guys. Emntwini ozayibamba ive le nto endizama uyiza nayo apha endizama uyibalisa. Run with it. Niyitsho nangezingesi, guys. Thina sizayitsho ngezixhosa. Ayibamba umntu ngesingesi and run with it. Silithemba lakhe lokugqibela. Masenze nasesinye scripture songs. Ephesians 6.
Finally, brethren, be strong in the Lord. Finally, brethren, the power of his might. Put on the whole armor of God, that ye may stand against the wiles of the devil. For we wrestle not against flesh and blood, but against principalities, powers, rulers of the darkness of this world, spiritual wickedness in high places. Wherefore take unto you the armor of God, that ye may be able to withstand in the evil day, and having done all to stand, stand therefore, having your loins get about the truth, stand therefore, and having on the breastplate of righteousness, and your feet shod with preparation of the gospel of peace, above all taking the shield of faith, wherewith they shall be able to quench all the fiery darts of the wicked, and take the helmet of salvation, and the sword of the Spirit, which is the word of God. Stand therefore, having your loins get about with truth, and having on the breastplate of righteousness, and your feet shall be preparation of the gospel of peace, above all taking the shield of faith, wherewith ye shall be able to quench all the fiery darts of the wicked, and take your helmet of salvation, and the sword of the Spirit, which is the word of God. Stand therefore, praying always with all prayer and supplication in the Spirit, and watching thereunto with all perseverance and supplication for all saints. Ephesians 6:10-18. Stand